Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Cortese once again, and we're getting back into it right away. We got BLUCINA in the back, and this car may look familiar. Black Charger. We did a couple rolls a while back, but this time we're hitting up the streets, dead stops. As you guys saw in my last video, you know, I came back with some mods. I don't know if you can see it. Got the headers. So I came back with a little more beef. This is gonna be the rematch of the century. Pow! All right, since the last time we went at it, I did get it the ported throttle body. I added headers. And also, I did the transmission tune. I didn't have that before. Now I got the transmission tune. He has a transmission tune as well. He doesn't have headers, but he does have the 309 LSD. I've been trying to look for a wrecked scat or something like that, just to see if I could pull it out for better gearing and harder launches. So let's see what this bad boy can do. What's up YouTube? We're chilling now, letting the cars cool off, and you know, just let me know what you think in the comment section down below. As you saw, you know, this car definitely fucking pulls against my long tube headers. The initial takeoff, you know, first gear, I do have the 305 Nittos in the back, so that's what I feel definitely helped me out in the first gear in the launch, in the initial launch. He has a 275s, some Falcon brand. They're 275s. So, you know, it's understandable why his launch wasn't, you know, why he didn't get the jump on me in the beginning. But after that, the second, third, every gear after that, he was in front of me the whole time. I was right there hanging on his fucking, his rear fender. I was hanging out in his rear fender, but damn, this car can pull. Got a couple bugs in the front, no big deal. Wash it off really quick. But I don't know if you guys noticed, but I truly felt that, you know, once we got up there in the higher speeds, I might have pulled up a little bit closer to him. That's something we'll have to test out later once we get more road. But as of right now, you know, all right guys, thank you very much for watching. You know, whatever you guys want to see, you know, I got it here, so just let us know in the comment section down below. Oh, I don't know what's going on over here, but let me go ahead and restart. So that's the end of the races, guys. Thank you guys for watching. You know, whatever you guys want to see, let me know in the comment section down below. Like, subscribe if you haven't already. I got more races planned, definitely. We still need to get some rolls in, but in the digs, you know, he definitely took the dub. The 309, you know, oh my god, the 309 LSD, the gearing, you know, compared to the headers, you know, you might want to go that route. Go the LSD route first. That way, you know, as you guys saw, I tested it first. You know, we have similar mods. He does not have headers. I do not have the gears. So the gears, you know, made a huge difference versus my headers. I feel like the long tube headers do increase your top speed. They increase your top speed. That's why I was gaining on him at the end. So, you know, that's my take on it. Whatever you guys want to do, remember, I get the aggressive sound, the higher top end, you know, and then he definitely gets a better gearing, you know, for performance. So, you know, take it as you will. Thank you guys for watching. Once again, I hope everyone's doing safe. Peace.